Emakhosini bokoko nabomkhulu ngiyanamkela ku-channel yami. Welcome. So today ngizophendula umbuzo womntana ethonga who asked in the comment section. Please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe, share, yabo. Because obviously this I'm doing so that it reaches a wider audience, you know. So bantwana betonga uyabuza uthi so how do one anikele emanzini, right? So there's ways that one can, you know, nikela emanzini, which is blood. It's not one of them. When umntana wamanzi refrain from ukugeza ngegazi lenkukhu and what's so not emanzini, reframe that. Do not do that. It's a no-no. So imali emhlophe, it's very important mawumntana wethonga emanzini, because imali emhlophe iyakhanyisa futhi iyakuvulela, iyakucelela. Right? When you get emanzini, you don't stand uma ucela, you kneel. Because uma ume phezu kwamanzi ufanele uhloniphe, ubonise inhlonipho. When you get there, you kneel. And before you offer, you ask kubanikazi bamanzi ukuthi ngicela ningivuleleni, ngicela ukusebenzisa indawo yenu. Be it uyongena emanzini, be it awungeni ufuna ukuyokhuleka, kodwa indawo nendawo inobaba wakhona, inabantu abadala bakhona. You kneel down, you ask. Then you ask your ancestors, you ask them ukuthi bakuvulele indlela, bakukhanyisele, bakuvikele, ubathole la umsebenzi ozoyenza uyenzeke bakuzwe. Right? So ma umuntu wesilisa uya emanzini bese ufaka isigcoko, it's a no. Isigcoko uyasikhumula, because uma uvela umnikazi wamanzi akubona ukuthi hayibo lo bani ozodelela emzini wami. And sometimes you might think ukuthi umnikazi wamanzi usemanzini kanti usaphumile, when you seeing that particular bed ehleli lapha kanti umnikazi wamanzi, or you see umuntu osihlelele le kanti umnikazi wamanzi uphumile. And umnikazi wamanzi awumbheki emehlweni, because umuntu like yabona umuntu uma umbheke emehlweni ukhombisa ukuthi I'm ready to fight. So uyazihlonipha, uyathoba, awumbheki. Nothing is gonna happen to you. Right? Ngisho nanoma bekangaphakathi kwamanzi, uma ufika ngenhlonipho futhi nezidalwa zakho sisondela futhi ucelile uclean, then uyakwazi ukuthi akudedele, ukwazi ukuthi wena ungene usebenze. Right? Awuyi emanzini usesikhathini, because it's a no. Awuyi esikhathini, awuyi emanzini usesikhathini. Awuyi emanzini ulele nomuntu wakho day before or 2 days before. At least you must have 3 days before. Then even in that 3 days, make sure ukuthi you cleanse ngamanzi ane-half salt ne-holy ash. You cleanse, you clean, you pray, you fast. You avoid eating pork. Don't eat pork meat, then go to the waters. You know, you must not eat pork meat. You must be clean, you must be pure. Awungena emanzini uceda ukuthuka umuntu, already ungcolile. Awuye emanzini ubambe igcubu, awuye emanzini ubulele, awuye emanzini uthakatha, uzolimala, uzobunga namanzi. Right? Phatha imali yakho emhlophe, uyaguca, mawuceda masothandazile uphahlile bese uyacela. Uphatha A1 on your right, uphatha A1 on your left. Left unikelela idalwa zakhabo baba, zakhabo mama. Right unikelela idalwa zakhabo baba, sorry. Left it's khabo mama, right it's khabo baba. Then mawucedile ke, that's when ungangena emanzini. You can also do iladi lasemanzini, whereby you come with your fruits, with your snacks, with your ogoloko bakho, your gardens, your red wine. Mawunenkosazana, especially red wine is very important. Your red wine, your sweets, your biscuits, you know. Then ungayenza iladi lasemanzini. whereby mawuqeda uyakhuleka uyakhuluma nabo uphahle ukuthi abantu abadala ngizoyenza iladi le ladi, be it uliphigama ukuthi iladi lokuvula inhlanhla, iladi nje lokuthi uzobonga, iladi lokuthi yabo uyenza iladi. Now the important thing emanzini, it's that you must leave water places clean. Makhendlela wakho uma uqeda ukwakhanyisa awashiyi lapho, uyawathatha. Abantu bayaganga, abantu bazofika bathatha amakhandlela akho abawasebenza. You clean ngoba akusuwena wedwa usebenzisa leyo ndawo. You clean, you clean, you clean, you clean. Don't throw your papers zamazimba lapha phansi, don't throw into zakho lapha phansi, ungashiyi nje. Clean ngoba umnikazi wamanzi ukubukile ukuthi ushiya indawo yakhe injani. iBhayibheli lithi uNkulunkulu akahlala endaweni engcolile, right? Mawushiya kungcolile unamakhosi amanzi nabanikazi bamanzi, ushiya indawo yakho yabo ingcolile, do you think ukuthi imikhuleko yakho will be heard, or do you think ukuthi they will answer you? Ngoba ngaleyo nto ukhombisa indelelo, yabo. So even when you get inside the water, ungangeni uthulile, you pray, you pray, you pray, you pray, so that into yoyenza ifezakale iyenzeke. Even if wafika wathatha ibhakede walifaka masoceda ukuyenza yonke into wasithela ngayo, what matters it's the water, it's not ukuthi ungenile noma ungena. What matters is that amanzi waleyo ndawo uwatholile noma awuwatholanga. Amanzi ayahlonishwa, right? Others you can use, let's say uyocosha, maybe unamabhadi, you broke unamabhadi or imali yakho isebenziwe or something, ukuyolahla, you can use imali emnyama, which is imali emnyama, it's your 50 cents, 2 cents shilling. You can use it, uqale ulahlele yona, ukhuleke batshela ukuthi uzoyenzani ke, bese uqala ngemali emnyama, bese kodwa uyenza emanzini ahambayo asheshayo. Usho ukuthi bantu abadala, with this ngicosha amabhadi, ngicosha konke lokhu okuza nale mali emnyama, ngicosha inhlupheko, ngicosha indlala, yabo. Bese mawuceda ulahlela imali emhlophe, uthi ngale mali emhlophe ngiyakhanyisa ukuthi kukhanye, ngimbathwe ukukhanya, ngimbathwe imali inhlanhla, ngimbathwe, yabo. So there's a lot of rituals that one can do emanzini depending on ukuthi wena uyuyenzani. Kodwa emanzini uyanikela, you give. Now you get to a place whereby manje when you go emfuleni kugcwele masikhuluma thina sisithi amaphara noma abafana bagcwele lapha ngama-magneti, wena mawuceda ukulahlela imali bona bayayikhipha, it doesn't matter. Okubalekile ukuthi wena uyenze lento le ebekufanele uyenze, right? Ukuthi ithathwa ubani, it doesn't matter, yabo. Ngoba ukuyithatha kwabo, it's fine, bayothengisa inkwa bayodla, it's fine, kuwena kuyisibusiso, yabo. Fana ukuthi mawuphahla ngemali endlini, imali emhlophe, ungapha ingane ukuthi ambani nothenga amaswiti, ungayalahlela emgwaqweni, umuntu uzoyidobha. You'll never know ukuthi ubani ozobe adinga i-R1 ngalelo langa, bese uNkulunkulu amuphe i-R1 leyo through wena, bese kuba isibusiso. Ngoba makabonga uzothi Nkosi, Nkosi ngiyabonga ngilale ngidlile, bese uNkulunkulu ubusisa lesandla esinikelile sayenza ukuthi ifinyelele leyibusiso kulomuntu naye aphile, ngoba sonke singabantu bakaNkulunkulu. Niyangizwa? So you do that. Mawulahlela, let's say unikela ngamasweet, you don't nikela ngamasweet emanzini isweet liphakathi kwephepha, you open the papers. Nikeli ngamazimba ngaphakathi kwephepha, you awunikeli ngama-fruits, i-orange ulivalile, i-orange uyalivula. That's what's important. So I hope you understand. I hope I've explained. If it's not clear, you can let me know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ngiyabonga for all the support. It really means a lot. The love, the light, the respect in the comment section. That's what I want. La kuyahlonishwana la. imimoya iyathobelana.